Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Nest doorbell that is not ringing inside. So, if the Nest doorbell here is not ringing from the inside, there are a few things that you may want to do. So first is you may want to toggle the electronic chime setting here. Now I want to open up the Nest app here and want to go to your doorbell settings and look for the electronic chime. Now if it's off, turn it on. Now you want to exit the app, reopen it, and toggle it off again. Now this actually refreshes the signal from Google servers to your doorbell. Next is you want to turn off quiet time mode. Now you want to go to your live video feed in the app, tap the drop down and check if quiet time is enabled. Now turn it off, and this mode silences the indoor chime. Now also you may want to enable the ring indoor chime option. Now still in the app, you want to go to doorbell settings, make sure the ring indoor chime is turned on. Now without this, the chime won't sound inside. Also, try changing the settings from another device here. Now, as a household member, to open up the Nest app on their phone, have them adjust the same settings. Also, test the doorbell wires manually here. So carefully touch the two doorbell wires together. If the chime rings, your wire and chimes are fine. If not, the chime or transformer might be faulty here. Also, inspect the chime connector and transformer here. So check the white chime connector puck, and it may be defective. So if you're using the standard 16V AC or 10 volts A transformer, consider upgrading to a 16V AC or 30V A transformer. Now this provides more power, especially if other devices share the same circuit. Now you want to let the doorbell charge if the battery is low as well. So if the doorbell hasn't been used for a while, plug it in to charge. Low battery can cause the chime not to work when pressed. And restart or factory reset doorbell. Now you want to press the small hole on the back for about 5 seconds to restart. Now hold it for about 12 seconds to perform a full factory reset. Now this often resolves lingering issues, but that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.